Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make chicken foie gras. First, let's create that incredible broth. Begin with a whole chicken, weighing around 3 to 4 pounds for the best flavor. Simmer it gently with charred ginger and onion for about 1 hour. Then, season your broth with a few tablespoons of fish sauce, a small piece of rock sugar, and a pinch of salt to achieve that perfect balance. Now, let's infuse our broth with those signature faux aromas. Gently toast whole spices like star anise, cloves, and a cinnamon stick in a dry pan until fragrant. This step truly awakens their flavors. Gather these toasted spices into a small sachet or cheesecloth bag. Then, add this sachet to your simmering broth and let it infuse for at least 30 minutes, allowing the deep, complex flavors to develop beautifully. With our broth simmering, let's prepare the other key components. For the noodles, choose flat rice noodles, ideally about 1/4 inch wide. Cook them according to the package instructions until they are perfectly al dente, not too soft. Once your chicken is cooked through and cooled slightly, carefully remove the meat from the bones and shred it into tender, bite-sized pieces, ready for your bowl. Finally, it's time to assemble your delicious bowl of foie gras. In a large serving bowl, arrange a generous portion of your perfectly cooked rice noodles. Top them with the tender, shredded chicken meat. Then, carefully ladle the steaming, aromatic broth over everything, ensuring it warms the noodles and chicken. Finish with fresh garnishes like cilantro, mint, sliced green onions, and a few thin slices of chili for a delightful kick.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.